This is part 2 of mole concept. This is part 2 of mole concept where we'll be learning a graphical way of finding number of moles or weight or amount of substance or masses, or we can find number of molecules, number of atoms, or we can find volume of a given substance. So here in the center it is given as number of moles, and if you are moving towards weight, that is mass or amount of substance, so we have to multiply it by its molar mass. And if we are given mass of a substance and we have to find number of moles, then we have to divide it by molar mass. That is, away from number of moles we have to multiply, and towards moles we have to divide simply. Suppose if we are given number of moles n and we have to find number of molecules, then we have to multiply it by Avogadro number, that is Na. And if we are given number of molecules and we have to find number of moles, so we have to divide it by Avogadro number. Now if number of moles is given of a substance and we have to find volume of substance, so we have to multiply it by 22.4. and if a volume of substance is given and we have to find number of moles, so we have to divide it by 22.4. Now suppose number of molecules is given and we have to find number of atoms, so we have to multiply it by numbers of atoms of a given substance. Suppose if it is given S2SO4, then let's take number of atoms of hydrogen as X and that of sulfur as Y and oxygen as Z. So here X will be 2, Y will be 1 and Z will be 4. So let's learn how can we use it. So let's take it as a shortcut. Here it is given as number of moles. Here it is given as number of molecules. Here is Avogadro number. Here is number of atoms and it may be multiplied by X, Y, Z, anything. Here it will be a molecular mass and here it will be weight. Now here it will be 22.4 at standard temperature pressure condition. Here it is volume of substance HVS. Now this is the basic chart and these are the symbols. N is number of moles, mm is molar mass, W is amount of substance, a weight or mass, Na is Avogadro number, Nm is number of molecules, Na is number of atoms, ions, it may be anything. Here it is volume of substance, 22.4 at standard temperature pressure conditions. Now suppose if we are given 2 gram of S2SO4 and we have to find number of moles, that is N. So what can we do? We are given 2 gram, that is weight. So we are given 2 gram and we have to find number of moles, that is small n. This is number of moles. Now this is given and we have to find this. So we need what? Molar mass. So just we have to find over here molar mass of S2SO4. It will be hydrogen is 2 into 1, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 4 and there is 16. Its atomic mass is 16, so overall it will be 98 gram per mole. Now we know molar mass is 98 gram per mole. Now we have to find N and 2 gram is given. Now we are moving towards N. If we are moving towards N, so we have to divide by what? Molar mass. We have to find N, so we have to write N. We are given as W, that is masses, so it will be M. And if we are moving from W to N, that is moving towards N, so we have to divide, and divide by what? That will be molar mass. So this will be your general formula from this table only, from this graphs only. So it will be 2 gram upon 98 gram per mole, mole will be above side, so gram and gram is cancelled out, it will be 1 by 49 mole. So in this way we can find number of moles. Let's take another concept. Suppose if we are given number of moles of H2SO4 as a 49. So this is your number of moles. Now if you have to find amount of substance, that will be W, or we can say mass or weight. Now we are given number of moles as 49, so this is given as 49, and we have to find W. Now we have to find W, so we are moving away from number of moles, away from moles, it means we have to multiply. Now here we have to find W, we are given N, so we have to multiply it by molar mass. We are going away, so it will be multiplied. Now N is given as 49, and we know that molecular mass of H2SO4, it will be 98 gram per mole. So it will be 49 into 98. That will be gram per mole. This is given as grams only. Sorry, it is moles. So mole and mole cancel out. It will be gram only. So we'll multiply it and we'll get weight of the given substance. So it will be 49 into 98. 8 9 is 72. And 8 4 is 32. 7 39. 9 9 81. And 9 4 is 36. 8 41. 36 8 44. It will be 2 9 1 10. 4 3 7. 8 4. It will be 4802 gram. So we can get 4802 gram of sulfuric acid. Now suppose if you have to solve, take one more question. If we are given, now let's make table again. If it is N, here it is number of molecules, here it is number of atoms, here it will be Na, here is X, comma Y, comma Z, here it will be W, here is 22.4, here is molar mass, here is volume of substance. Now suppose if you are given 11.2 liter of H2SO4, and we have to find number of moles. Now volume of substance is given, so volume of substance is given as 11.2 liter, and that is of H2SO4. Now this is given as 11.2, and we have to find number of moles, so we are moving towards number of moles. Moving towards number of moles means divide. Divide by what? 22.4. So what we have to do, we have to find number of moles, what is given, that is volume of substance, and so we have to divide it by 22.4. So it will be, Vs is given as 11.2 liter, and it is 22.4, that will be liter only, so it will get cancelled out, it will be 1 by 2, that is 0.5 moles. So in this way we can generate the formulas, so we can find number of moles. Let's take one more. Draw the same one. Drawing again will make it easy to learn. Suppose if you are given number of moles as of H2SO4 as 1 by 2. To find is number of molecules of H2SO4 and number of atoms of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Now, since number of moles is given and we are moving away from number of moles, so we'll multiply it by Na. Na is Avogadro number. That Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now here we have to find number of molecules and we are given number of moles and we have to multiply by Avogadro number, that will be Na. Therefore it will be number of moles as 1 by 2 and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So we'll get 3.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2SO4. Now we have to find, now we know number of molecules. Here number of molecules is, so we have to find number of atoms and that is of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Suppose we have to find number of atoms of, it is hydrogen, so it will be X into, that is number of molecules. Now X is hydrogen and Y is sulfur and Z is number of oxygen. So X is how much? Here it is 2 because there is 2 hydrogen and number of molecules we know, it is 3.022 into 10 to the power 23. If we multiply it, we will get 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Now if we find number of atoms of sulfur, so it is, that is Y into number of molecules, so it will be 1 into 3.022 into 10 to the power, that is 23. We'll get 3.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of sulfur. Suppose if you have to find number of oxygen, that is number of atoms of oxygen, so it will be Z into, that is number of molecules. So Z is, oxygen is 4 in H2SO4, so it will be 4 into 3.022 into 10 to the power 23. So it will be 12.088 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. So in this way we can find number of atoms of any given compound, we can find number of molecules, we can find amount of a substance. Now let's take a basic question. Let's take S3 as a substance of whose weight is given as 49 gram. Now 49 gram of S3 is given. We have to find number of moles, number of molecules, number of atoms of each, that is hydrogen, phosphorus and oxygen, volume of substance. So just we have to remember a single point, important point, that if we can find number of moles, it becomes easy to find other quantities. So let's calculate. We are given as 3PO4 and its weight is given as 49 gram. So by the simplification we have n, here it is number of molecules, here it is number of atoms, it will be XYZ, it is Avogadro number, this is volume of substance, here it will be 22.4, this is molecular mass, this is weight. Weight is given as 49 gram. Now weight is given, firstly we have to find number of moles. So the first thing is to find out number of moles. So we are moving towards number of moles, so we have to divide. So it will be n is equals to, we are given it W, so we have to divide by molecular mass. So molecular mass of S3PO4 will be, it will be same as sulfuric acid, it will be 98 gram per mole. So n is equals to, W is given as 49 gram and this is 98 gram, mole will come up. So it will be 1 by 2 mole or 0.5 mole. Now suppose we have to find number of molecules. If we have to find number of molecules, so we now know the number of moles. So what we have to, we are moving away from number of moles, so we will multiply it by Avogadro number. So number of molecules will be n into Na. That will be 1 by 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and that will be 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Molecules of what? S3PO4. Similarly, if we have to find number of atoms, it will be easy. So we are moving away from number of molecules, so multiply by XYZ. So number of atoms of first take hydrogen, it is 3. So we have to take X into and number of molecules Nm. So we'll be getting it as 3 into, that will be 3.011 into 10 to the power 23, and that will be 9.033 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Now suppose we have to find that is number of atoms of phosphorus, so it will be Y into number of molecules, that is 1 into, and number of molecules is given as 3.001, it will be 3.011 into 10 to the power 23, so it will remain same, atoms of phosphorus. Now number of atoms of oxygen, that is 4, so that is will be Z into number of molecules, that is 4 into 3.011 into 10 to the power 23, that will be 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Now we know the number of moles and we have to find volume of substance, so it becomes easy to find it. Now we know number of moles will be half, so we are moving away from number of moles. So volume of substance we have to find. So volume of substance will be number of moles into 22.4 from the given chart. So it will be half into 22.4. So that will be 11.2 liter. So in this way we can find volume of substance. So this is the particular way to learn mole concept from the given chart.